show you how to grow pineapple from pineapple. For starters, the yellower your pineapple, the sweeter it'll be, the more chances you have to find you some roots, because we're looking for the roots in here. Okay, first thing you want to do, you don't want to snap off the top. You want to twist off the top like this. Twist it, because you're trying to preserve whatever roots you got in there. You're going to come up with this. Then, we want to peel back these petals, take them off about that high. Okay, you peel back these leaves till you get to that brown part. See that brown part in there? There's roots in there. Sometimes roots be hanging out. Sometimes you might have ripped some of them off when you peel back the petals. My point is you got to peel it back till you get to the root. Right. Then get you some water in a mason jar. Not sink water, preferably distilled water, spring water. I use rainwater. You want to sit it in there like that. Sit it in the sun. Keep it in the sun. If it's in the house, keep it in a window, you know, for some sunlight. This 3 weeks later right here. See those roots growing? And I'm here to tell you, if you can get roots, you can plant it. So that's what it is. That's how you do it. It take about 2.5 years. So when the temperature gets 56 degrees or below, you want to bring it in the house and you treat it like a regular plant, because that's what it is. When your roots get about that long, plant it in the dirt. Next spring, weather get higher than 56 degrees, 60 degrees, put it back in the sun, continue to grow it. By 2 years, if you're doing it right, 2.5 years, you should have some fruit. Anyway, hope that was helpful. If you like this information, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, peace, just be loved.